Hello, can you quickly make a delicious breakfast in only 2 simple steps? Of course, yes. In the evening we pour milk and yogurt over our oatmeal, and in the morning we enjoy a delicious breakfast. Now I'm going to show you everything.
Prepare everything you need for making overnight oats. In the evening, mix the oatmeal with cinnamon, salt, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and maple syrup. Also, add some almonds. Mix the oats well, pour into a bowl, and cover with plastic wrap, or place it in a jar with a lid. Leave in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, dice the banana and kiwi. And place on top of the oatmeal. Then add the remaining nuts. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious overnight oats.